Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Honda Odyssey. Stock number is A7901. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. You have dual climate control as well. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Odyssey on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.